going to stay for another 24 hours. But at the moment we've still got these northerly winds coming down from the North Sea. And you can see we've got some cloud too blowing in from the North Sea, which is giving those light showers. But up to the north and the west, fairly clear skies across many parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and the western part of Wales and the southwest. Now that north to northeasterly wind is going to continue right through the night, bringing some cloud across eastern parts of England. But up to the northwest, the wind's really quite light. And that combination of light winds and fairly broken skies in the way of cloud means temperatures falling very quickly. A widespread frost across central parts of Scotland into Northern Ireland and also through Wales and many western parts of England. In the east, though, more cloud, so temperatures just above freezing and still one or two showers blowing in from the North Sea. The high well in control for many parts during Wednesday, although across the southeast, still that northeasterly flow, and that front will come into play across northern Scotland in the afternoon. So the early showers across the southeast will tend to die away, but in the northwest we'll find clouds thickening, and here we'll find some rain coming in during the end of the day, probably starting off as snow, but for many parts of England and Wales it should be a fine dry afternoon with some sunshine. Now with lighter winds in most places, temperatures about the same, it should feel a little bit warmer, although those southwesterly winds will start to freshen across northwestern parts of Scotland during the afternoon. Now the cloud and rain, with that snow on the hills in the north, will gradually ease its way further south on Wednesday evening. So we'll find that whilst in the north there won't be any frost, further south across many parts of England and Wales, once again we'll find temperatures falling below freezing. But then the milder weather coming in behind that warm front, the west to northwesterly winds, flooding southeastwards across most places. So after a frosty start across those southeastern parts of England, the cloud pushing south, only possibly the southern coast of England staying dry right through the day. As you can see, most places rather milder with that cloud. Now during Friday, another cold front pushing southeast, so quite a change after a mild start with some cloud in most places. Brighter, showery weather in the north, pushing southeast, lower temperatures too, so many of those showers